Hey folks, it's Mark Whiteley here. Now, if you want to make money online, then let me tell you about a method I just put to the test. You see, recently my good friend Raj reached out to me and showed me a system that he's using to generate over $4,659.58 per month in recurring income. Now, while Raj had loads of proof that his method was working extremely well for him, and like you can see below, there's a screenshot from just one of his accounts where you can see that he's actually generating a growing income of that $4,659.58. Now that's per month. So that's pretty impressive, right? So after seeing the method and seeing Raj's proof, I thought to myself, I wonder if this would work for someone totally new. So I decided to put his method to the test. I started from scratch, only using his methods of generating a reoccurring income. Now, after 4 weeks, here's the results that I achieved using only Raj's reoccurring methods. So there's another $82.70 coming in every month, and another $123.75 coming in as well. Plus I also got this one here, which is pretty cool, which is another $673.18 per month. So that's a total of $879.63 in just 4 weeks. Okay, so that's not a huge amount of money at all, but it proves that you can start from scratch and generate a life-changing income using the method that Raj has developed. And the best part is the income will come in every month, plus it grows month after month as well. You see, this is reoccurring income, which allows you to grow and scale much quicker. So it's going to get you to that job quitting income a whole lot sooner. Now, I was that impressed, I twisted Raj's arm to have him record every step he does so he could show people his brilliant method. Raj agreed. Now, as you could imagine, this had me excited, as I knew this would allow so many people, including complete beginners, that have been struggling to finally see results. So I'm excited to introduce the Recurro system, which allows you to work once and get paid every month. So here's why the Recurro system works so well. It's 100% newbie friendly. It builds a consistent passive income. It's delivered in simple step-by-step training videos. You get quick results. You do not need a website, and there is no list needed at all. Plus, you don't need any experience at all. Now, you're probably wondering what the investment is today to get started using the Recurro system. Well, the good news is that during this official launch, we are offering a huge discount. Plus, when you pick up the Recurro system today, you'll also receive 3 additional bonuses. So today, you are getting everything at a massively discounted price, plus the bonuses, but only until the timer on this page hits 0. Remember, this is a launch special. Look, after putting the Recurro system to the test, I highly recommend you check out the rest of this page and start putting the Recurro method into action today. Go ahead and check out the details below and get started using the easiest reoccurring income method you'll ever see. Alright, I'll see you in the members area.